Welcome back to Pabbly. Guys, in this video, you will be learning how you can enroll a student automatically in a course in Teachable application on selling of that course from your online store. So guys, here I'm going to show you how you can automate this whole process directly from selling of the course to the course enrollment. So now you can see on my screen, here we are using WooCommerce to create an online store from where you can sell your course. So in place of WooCommerce, you can use any other course selling application like Thrivecart or Spay or LearnDash or any other application, right? So guys, here as and when the course is going to be sold, the student who have purchased this course is going to be enrolled automatically in Teachable application, which is a course creation platform. So guys, this will happen automatically and it will surely save a huge amount of your time and your energy, and it will improve your productivity as well. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, guys. And to reach here, you have to use this link, which is pabbly.com/connect. And we have pasted this link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this sign up free button. And you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, you just have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable or relevant name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as WooCommerce to Teachable. Okay, right, WooCommerce to Teachable automation. So after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So guys, automation work on these two things only. So the trigger is the happening of any event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be selling of a course from your online store, and the action towards that trigger would be to enroll the student that have purchased the course into Teachable. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up this trigger, guys. So from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application as WooCommerce. In our case, we have created the store with the help of WooCommerce. So select WooCommerce here, and in the trigger event, you have to select this new order created option. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a Webhook URL, guys. And with the help of this URL, we are going to make a connection with our store. And after that, we are going to capture the response of that Webhook connection. Okay, so Webhook connections will instantly fetch the data. Okay, so we are going to fetch the data of a course getting sold here in this workflow. So let me show you how you can make this connection. You can read these instructions written here to make the connection. I can show you how exactly you can do that. So this is my WordPress dashboard, and here is the WooCommerce. From here, you have to click on settings and you will reach the settings page. And here in the settings page, you will find, let me read the instructions here. You have to click on advanced tab. Okay, so let's find the advanced tab. Here it is. Select advanced. And on this page, on the advanced page, you will find this Webhooks option here. Click on Webhooks. Alright, and here in the Webhook section, you have to add a webhook by clicking on this add webhook button. Okay, and this is kind of page will open up. Here you have to give a name to this Webhook connection. So I'm giving the name here as to Teachable. Okay, you can give any name according to you. Here you have to make the status of this connection active. Then you have to select the topic. So the topic would be, you can read the instructions. The topic would be order created. Okay, so let's select order created from here. Here it is, select it. And in the delivery URL field, you have to copy this Webhook URL and paste it. So just click on copy from here and then go back to the settings, and in the delivery URL, paste the Webhook URL. Okay, and keep the secret blank. Select the API version as it is, and then just click on save webhook button, and you can see your webhook connection is getting saved here. Okay, and here you can see in your workflow, when the webhook connection was made, it will show you this webhook ID here. Okay, now guys, what we are going to do, we are going to make a test purchase of a course now. This means we are going to open our online store, and we are going to make a purchase which will act as a test purchase for us, and the test data of that purchase will be captured here. So to capture that data, just click on this recapture webhook response button, click on yes, and it will start showing waiting for the response. Okay, so now we can perform the test submission. So as I'm going to purchase the course, the data of that course will be captured here, and with the help of that data we are going to set up this automation further. Okay, so guys, this is my e-commerce store page. Here is the course that I'm selling. PHP for beginners is the name. So I'm adding this product or course into my cart, and from here I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. And here you can see this is our demo customer or a sample customer whose name is Jesse Matthews. Okay, and these are all the sample details of this person. Okay, so here I am going to place the order by clicking on this place order, and you can see the order is getting placed here. Okay, you can see thank you, your order has been received. This is the order number, this is the order date, this is the email ID of the customer, and all other things are here. Now let's see in our workflow if we got the data of this product purchase got captured or not. And guys, here you can see in this response received section, we got the data captured like this. You can see this is the currency details, this is the date of the order, this is the total amount. Okay, and here you can see the details of the customer. Okay, JC Matthews, this is the address, the email ID, the phone number, and everything about the order is here. You can also see the name of the product which was our course. So you will find the name here in the line item value label. Let me show you. So here you can see in the line item label, it is written here PHP for beginners course. Okay, so this is how we can capture the data, guys. And now what we want that the person who have purchased this course will be enrolled in our teachable application in the course where we are running the course. Okay, for that to happen, guys, what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to apply a condition here. Guys, you can see we have many products on my online store. Let me show you my store. So guys, you can see on my online store I have many products here other than the course that I'm selling. So you can have other products also in your store other than this course, but guys, you want to enroll the student automatically on the selling of the course only. You don't want any other customer who is purchasing any other product from your store to be enrolled in any course. Okay, so for that we are going to apply this condition here. For that I'm going to use this action step, and in this action step I'm going to use filter feature by Pabbly, which is going to filter out the customers who is only purchasing your course. Okay, for that just select filter, and here it is asking to select the label. So guys, here I am going to use this data that I have received in the first step, and here you can see I have received the name of the course in this line item label. Okay, let me show you. Here is the line item label. So I'm going to ensure that when this line item is purchased, then only enroll the customer. Okay, for that I am going to select this label here from this select label option. So when you click here, it will show you the WooCommerce step or the first step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received of the order in the first step. So from here you have to find out the line item label and you have to select it here. So when you scroll down a bit more, you will find the line item label here, which is this. Okay, select it and make the filter type equals to, and put here in the value the name of your course, which is PHP for beginners. Okay, so you can type it or you can copy that also from here. Let me copy this. Okay, So this means when the product which was got purchased is equals to PHP for beginners, then only enroll the customer into the course. Okay, so click on save and send test request here, and you can see the condition is true for now. So when the condition is true, this workflow will continue. Okay, and what we want from this workflow to do, we want that this automation is going to enroll the customer in a course in Teachable. Okay, so to enroll the person in Teachable, just click here on this plus icon and another actions tab will open up, and from here search for Teachable, guys. All right, and here in the action event you have to select this enroll user in course option. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here it is asking the email ID, the password of the admin. Okay, so you have to enter your email ID and password of your account in Teachable, and here you have to enter the subdomain name. So guys, let me show you. This is my admin section of Teachable. Here I have created this Pabbly Connect school, and these are the courses I am running here, and this is the course that I am selling from WooCommerce named as PHP for beginners. Okay, so I want to enroll the customer in this course only. So you have to enter your email ID and password, and for the subdomain, from this top search bar you can see this is the URL of our admin section. So from here, let me just copy it. Okay, and let me just paste it here in the subdomain field. All right, but guys, here you can see in the example, if you have pabblyschool.teachable.com as your URL, so the Pabbly school will be the subdomain. So here you can see we have this http Pabbly Connect school.teachable.com. So our subdomain would be Pabbly Connect school. Okay, so I'm removing the extra things here like this, and here I'm removing this HTTP thing also. So this is our subdomain, and here I'm going to enter my email ID by which I have created the Teachable account, and here let me enter the password. Okay, now I just have to click on save, and you can see we are getting connected, okay, with Teachable. That's how you can connect, and here it is showing you the list of the courses that you are running there. You can see these are all the courses that I'm running, and from here I'm going to select this PHP for beginners, right? And here it is asking the email of the user or the student, the username of the student, and the password. Okay, so I'm going to directly enroll my student here, and we have received the test data here in the first step. And in the first step, you can see we got the customer details also, like the name and the phone number and the email ID as well. You can see this is it, email, name, phone number, and everything. So I'm going to use these labels to create and to enroll the student here. So guys, here you can see it is asking for the username. So guys, you can use the name of the customer as the username, but two people can have same names, so you have to enter the username as unique. So to get a unique username, we can use I think this email ID, the first part of the email ID, this one. Okay, this is the unique thing, so we can use this, but we have this whole email ID here, not the first part. So I'm going to split this email ID's text, and I'm going to remove this first part to get the username. For that to happen, what we can do, you can see we have this plus icon in between these two steps. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and another actions tab will open up. And from here, I am going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called text formatter. So search for text formatter here, and in the action event, select split text option, then click on connect, and here it is asking which text you want to split. So when you click here in this drop down, it will show you previous two steps. So from this first WooCommerce step, I am going to use the email ID label that I have received, which is this, map it. And here it is asking for the separator. So I want to separate this first part of the email ID before this @ sign. So this @ sign would act as a separator for us. So just put here @ symbol. Okay, and here it is asking the segment index. That means which part I want to separate out the first part or the last part or the second part. So here I am going to select the first part. Now click on save and send test request. And in the result label, you can see we got the first part removed out of the email ID. Okay. So now I can use this as a username. So here when you click, you can see it is not showing the previous steps now. This means we have added another step in between these two steps now. So you have to refresh this connection with Teachable. For that, just click on this connected button. And from here, keep this existing connection option selected. And then click on save and you will be connected again with Teachable. Now when you click here, it will start showing you the previous steps. So let us map the email first. Just click here and from this WooCommerce tab, map the email label. The email label, map it. For the username, use the third step, text formatters tab, where we have removed the first part of the email. Just map it. Okay. And in the password, you can enter, you can create a password for your user. So for the password, you can put here like this. Okay. Now, by clicking on save and send test request, you can create a test user or you can enroll a test student here inside Teachable. So first of all, let me select this course in which I want to enroll. This is the course, and here you will find the student section, guys. Click on students, and here in the student section you can see the enrolled students in the course, guys. So you can see these are the already enrolled students. Now let's check our connection. I am clicking on save and send test request, and a new person will be enrolled in the course in the student section. You can see this is the response we have received. Let's check in our course, guys. So I'm refreshing this page, and here you can see, guys, in the student section we got a new person enrolled here named as Jesse Matthews. This is the email address. You can see it is showing a minute ago. Okay, this means we have just added here this student by clicking on the save and send test request. And guys, if in case it doesn't shows the student here, you can just change the username and map the first name and the last name as well from the WooCommerce step. Okay, then you will not be needing this text formatter step also. Okay, so you can use this workflow also that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description. And we are done setting up this automation. You have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, as and when your course is going to be purchased from your online store, the students will be enrolled in your Teachable course automatically. And you can use this workflow from the description, guys. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.